Hey, how's it going? Wanted to drop another video with some case ideas or cases that I found that I love for my drones. I did one, I don't know, a year and a half ago when I exclusively flew Parrot drones. I still occasionally fly my Parrot Bebop 2. Rarely do I fly my original Parrot Bebop 1. But I have a Mavic, a Spark, DJI Goggles, and I've got the portable charging station, actually two of them, for the Spark's batteries. So let me show you what I got going here. Let's go ahead and start with the Spark. These cases are awesome. Little pinch and unlock here, pretty cool. PGYTECH, awesome gear. There's a Spark. Enough room for 3 batteries right there, 1 in the drone, 3 right there. I did modify these spots to fit, but it's awesome. Fits all my gear. Charging. Underneath the drone you have the charging hub, space for other stuff. It's pretty cool. You've probably seen other videos of this case online, but what I like about it is that I've got 2 of them that match. One for my Mavic, one for my Spark, and obviously the guts are going to be different because the cutouts. So pretty cool. Dig that gear. Check this out. This I found this Apache hard case, very sturdy. Found that one at Harbor Freight. Pretty awesome. Have the Spark portable charging station, and I found this one, Smart Tree. Pretty cool. You can charge 3 batteries twice, so they say 6 of them at about maybe 20%, and it's got 8100 milliamps. Pretty good. Works really well. Charges fast. That one will charge 3 as well. 1 in the drone, 2 on the sides. Works great. Carries my other gear, charging, what have you. That's for my goggles. We'll get to in a second. I just threw it in there because it works out. I'll leave that open, I guess. Leave this one open as well. Of course, you know the old Bebop 2. Don't fly him too much anymore, but that was a killer case. MC cases, very nice. Still a great drone. Just don't fly it much anymore. The video quality is why I really quit flying the Bebop, but its flyability is freaking awesome. Sky controller, got 1.2 miles. What is that? 2 kilometers. So let's get on to the Mavic. There you go, the Mavic. Very nice. Fits in there perfect. Wall charger for the hub and batteries. Beneath the blades there, I've got the cigarette adapter charger. Pull that out pretty rarely, but I can when I'm in the field. Pretty good. And this guy I just recently got, not too long ago. This case, however, is to be desired. It's okay, you know, Amazon, $37. I wouldn't have paid 20 for it had I seen it in the store, but it's fine, you know, to huck the goggles in to keep them from being scratched in the back seat. But these are dope. If you haven't tried them, you should give them a shot. I got nothing but good to say about them. There's plenty of bad out there. There's plenty of good. You guys will see and know already with all the videos out there, but I think they're dope. I would highly recommend them just because the video quality is so dope with 2 1080p screens in each eye. And Capone decided to stop in and say, hey, what's up, bud? Anywho, just wanted to give you a follow-up to a video I did, I don't know, a year and a half ago, you know, about those cases. I'll drop a description in the link below for that as well. But anyway, thanks for watching. Kind of a dumb video, but it's the way I like to house my gear and how I carry my gear. And do I take all my gear at once? Nope. I'll take the goggles and these 2 and that, which is already too much. This guy stays at home a lot. Don't fly that Bebop 2 very often. Great drone, but I just cannot beat the quality. You got distance, 4.3 miles, same distance as the Bebop 2 there, and you got 1080p, stabilized gimbal, delicious. Anyway, thanks for watching. Kind of a cheesy video, but wanted to show you how I carry my gear. Thanks a lot. See ya.